Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here a comparison of the two most popular affordable outdoor smartwatch in the market. We have here the Zeblaze Ares and we have the Kospet Tank smartwatch. So we're going to have a comparison review of these two wearable. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com. If you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's start. Again, this one on my left is the Zeblaze Ares with a Casio type design, retro, okay, style, and we have here the Kospet Tank M1, one of the most durable smartwatch in the market today. Okay, so as you can see here, if you want a smaller, simple, okay, smartwatch, okay, outdoor smartwatch, we have here the Zeblaze Ares, and here this is a rugged type smartwatch, okay, built for outdoor and of course for outdoor activities in a harsh environment. We have the Tank M1. Okay, as you can see here, they both have a physical button on and off, and we have here on and off for the ARS power button also for the Tank M1, and on the bottom part we have the mode here for the ARS, and the other one is the back or return button. Okay, so let's take a look at the design here. Okay, simple, lightweight for the ARS. Okay, if you want a lightweight activity smartwatch, the ARS will fit for you. Okay, flexible strap, interchangeable here. Okay, but it doesn't have a quick release pin, while for the Tank M1 we have an interchangeable strap here with quick release pin, okay, physical button also, and a durable body here. Okay, based on the specifications of the ARS, we have a 580 waterproof smartwatch, okay, or 380 waterproof smartwatch, okay, while for the Tank M1 we have the 580 or 50 meters IP69K, okay, rating, okay, a military standard rating here. Okay, so let's check on the display here. So it supports touch screen, okay, with graphs here, sports monitoring also available for the ARS. Okay, so as you can see here, so we have training here, different sports function for the ARS. Okay, very comprehensive list of sport function. So we have here also the activity tracking, monitoring the steps, okay, and distance. We also have the heart rate, blood pressure, sleeping, weather, and music, message, and more. Stopwatch, timer, flashlight, find phone. Okay. While for the Tank M1, it is more like a built for sports function here. Although we have notifications here, as you can see, also have a split screen, and we have different menus here. Okay, it also have a very comprehensive list of sport function, okay, compared to the Zeblaze Ares. Okay, so I guess as you can see here, based on the design, the Zeblaze Ares for a lightweight, okay, simple activity tracking, okay, and if you love a retro style, okay, small size, okay, unisex smartwatch, I guess the Zeblaze Ares will do. While for the Tank M1, if you are an outdoor guy who loves to go trekking or going outdoors, okay, especially in a very unforgivable or harsh environment, the Tank M1 is the smartwatch to have. Okay, very durable here, very sturdy design. While this one, I guess for the Ares is for your lightweight activity tracking. Okay, especially if you're going indoors and want a lightweight fitness tracking, the Ares will do. For the display here, as you can see, okay, it has a 1.72 inch, okay, TFT LCD with 240 by 240 pixel resolution, and it is also preloaded with different watch faces here. While for the Zeblaze Ares, we have a 1.3 inch, okay, IPC or IPS LCD screen. Okay, beautiful screen display here and preloaded with watch faces. Okay, again, let's compare it with on the physical size here. Okay, bigger, this one light, okay, simple, while this one outdoor style wearable. Okay, okay, so let me check. Okay, as you can see here, the size comparison when I wear it. Okay, beautiful looking smartwatch here, smartwatches here. For indoor, it's okay also for outdoor or casual activity. For the Zeblaze Ares, for the Tank M1, if you're going outdoors, okay, especially, okay, mountain climbing, okay, cycling, okay, swimming, or just going fishing, the Tank M1 is a great partner for your activities. Okay, for the battery, the Zeblaze Ares, okay, do have a 170 mAh, okay, 15 days standby time, 7 days, okay, 7 days daily use. Again, for the display here, I stand corrected, 1.3 inch IPS LCD. For the Kospet Tank M1, 1.722 inch TFT LCD. For the battery, for the Kospet Tank, it is much bigger with a 380 mAh battery with a very super long standby time of 50 days. 15 days daily usage. This one, it is using the Daffit Support App, while this one, it is using the Glory Fit app. Okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Again, these smartwatches are good or great smartwatches. Okay. They almost have the same functions here for sports tracking. Okay, but this one, it is designed for a tougher activities, while this one, it is for your casual activities. Okay, simple outdoor activities, while this one, okay, I think it is built for, okay, any environment, okay, situation. Okay, okay, let's have a closer look here. Okay, that's it. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews.